Hey everybody, welcome back to another Diecast review. As you can see in front of us here, we've got Martin Truex Jr.'s 500th career start, Elite in the 3 different finishes. So we'll go through, we'll take a look at the paint scheme in the standard finish, and then we will take a look at the rest of the cars by virtue of the finish paint color. So instead, I'll show you the details and whatnot on the first one, and then the other two have the same details, so I'm not going to bother. I'll just show off the paint differences and why the special finish is, you know, what makes them look a lot different. So we'll slide them off to the side here, and we'll start off with the standard finish Elite here. So this one is the standard finish auto owner's car. Down the left side here, you can see it's matte black the whole way. We got the NASCAR heat emblems there on the side, right underneath the front of the window there. Number 19, I really hate that emblem. It really does screw with that scheme. Doesn't look very good in my opinion. On the front, we obviously have the big A, and then we have the 500th start logo. There you can see the bright blue splitter, which looks really good. And then we have actually the red Toyota emblems up in the corner, so that's new. They weren't doing that all season. They started doing that halfway through the year. I definitely noticed it at Kansas. I did not notice it at Bristol, and they must have had them, so I have to look again. But anyway, then we got 19 auto owners, and then we have a bunch of little sponsors for Joe Gibbs down there. Bass Pro Shops, Auto Owners Insurance, and the 4 winner stickers there. We got the blue and white 19 on the roof. On to the back, we've got Auto Owners, Toyota, we've got 500th start, and little DIN number 1. That's kind of a neat one. Unfortunately, it is missing this, so that's kind of a bummer. But at the end of the day, I got a DIN 1. That's kind of cool. So inside the back, we've got the fuel cell there. Over to the right side, we've got Auto Owners, number 19 again. Same as the left side. Very simple, very basic. It's a flat black with bright baby blue. Looks really, really good. It's an awesome looking scheme. It's up there with the Sherry Strong car. I think the black and bright blue look really nice together on this car. Let's take a look under the hood here. You can see we've got the engine detail inside there. Again, not a ton of crazy stuff to show, honestly, as far as the details go. So anyway, that's the standard finish and what we get to see there on the flat black portion of it. Now let's move it on to the liquid color. So liquid color, what we end up getting here is kind of a shimmer. We end up with dusty, but we end up with kind of a shimmer. You can kind of see how it's kind of glossy. I try to get it in the light. There you go. Once you see it in the light, you can kind of see what that liquid color looks like. As I said, it doesn't really shine or sparkle. It is truly a shimmer, is the best way I've found to put it. So there, let's angle it up a little bit. There you can see that shimmer up there on the roof there. But one solid liquid color looks pretty good. A lot like the Dover Win, honestly, with the liquid color. It looks pretty good. You got to use that light, and it does add a little bit of shimmer to it, especially on that flat black. Definitely a unique color there. But there you can see more of that liquid color there. And yeah, that's pretty much all there really is to show on the liquid color. As I said, there's not a ton of differences or anything. It just, you get that shimmer color, especially in one like this. A lot of times if I'm going to order a special color of a car, I usually check to see what the color or the primary is going to be. So it means they're going to do this in black. I'll do it because it's 90% black kind of a deal, where when you get some of these cars, they're 50-50 and they don't look quite as good because only one part of it is going to be that liquid finish. The rest of it is going to be standard decaling. So, but the color chrome, this is my favorite. This color chrome looks good. As you can see there, we got just, it's, you know, the mirror chrome all the way down that left side. Just, yeah, looks really, really good. I think the color chrome came out really nice in this car, and it's definitely one of the best looking cars out here. Also ended up with DIN 1 on there. The other one was 18, so almost ended up with a pretty nice set, but I'll probably end up getting rid of the DIN 1s and going after other DINs. I don't really give a rip about the number, so you know, depending on what people want to get the DIN 1 for, you know, I'm not going to go out there and cause a bunch of problems or anything like that. So, but anyway, there you can see that mirror finish again. When you look under the front again, we got that big A and then like that mirror color. So between the two, or between the three, I should say, side by side, I'm going to try and get them all up here in the light so that we can get a good look at them. But Once you get them into the light, you can kind of see we got flat and the mirror and the liquid. And as you can see, the two on the liquid and the standard paint always seem to be the closest. The biggest difference is the finish. One of them is obviously a matte finish. The other one is got that shimmer. So, but that pretty much wraps up this review. There's really not much else to show off here. So, if you have enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun jazz. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments on the different finishes, and if you get specific finishes for specific drivers or anything like that. Other than that, that'll wrap it up for me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next Diecast review.